Hi, today I'll show how to create sitemap and Robots.txt for website as weekend. Basically, I'm using WordPress CMS, but unfortunately, you are using other CMS like Wix, Squarespace, Live, Shopify. Not already CMS automatically create your sitemap and Robots.txt, or you are use WordPress CMS in order to show how to create sitemap and Robots.txt. I prefer three plugins. First is SEO, second all-in-one, one is the third rank mate. But I basically I'm used because the last previous year this plugin again lot of review. That's why I use this plugin. This is the now best plugin in nowadays. Now I click use, click tool, and this SEO tools like yours rank and all-in-one SEO automatically create a Robots.txt or sitemap. Now I scroll down, click file editor, and then again scroll, and here is our Robots.txt automatically generated by Yoast. And so please attention, here is our user agent. Disallow WP content upload, WP or WP plugins, table list, and JSON. We are called JSON JCS. And here is our start Yoast SEO. That means Robots.txt. And then here is looking here user agent. User agent means all agent like caller, Google, Perplexity, user, any people or caller are coming outside. And you can look at here star icon means any caller like for example Google, Perplexity, then ChatGPT, Google, Grok, and any user are coming website and calling your website. Then after the collective information and they are show their overview. But if you want to block your pages like contact pages or block any caller like RS or Google, then looking here, go to that other section, click slash, then enter your page, which page you are blocked, and then any caller or user don't go to these pages. Like I want to block my contact page. Okay, then click save and changes. But you want to block any caller like ChatGPT or like Google, then click save and changes. Then Google or don't come here also, then call in your website. Just I am showing how to disallow any pages and what is user agent and how to create Robots.txt. And now you can ask me how to create sitemap. Automatically create your sitemap by Yoast. Just you now go to the Google Search Console. Click start now. And then copy this sitemap to index.xml. And again go to the Google Search Console. And then go to the indexing pages and then go to the sitemap. Enter this name sitemap, this index.xml, click submit, and then automatically index and submit your sitemap or successfully. I hope you can understand. After 2 or 3 days automatically index your sitemap, and then you can see your sitemap in your page website. Thank you so much watching this video.